The government has a data reuse problem, with information scattered across multiple different platforms and 25 design systems across various departments. Teams lose thousands of hours rebuilding components that already exist. The Gov Reuse Library AI search function changes that.
We built this AI engine specifically to eliminate that waste, ensuring taxpayer money is spent on innovation rather than repeating work that has already been done.
Built by the UK Ministry of Justice and Red Hat, this concept is a single front door for government design systems. Using natural language search, you just describe what you need and the engine finds the right official pattern. It's automated, safe, and backed by a strict RAG architecture that only reads approved data.
With this AI incubator, we've created something like a blueprint for innovation. It was important that it enables collaboration and scaling across government and make it reusable itself.
Powered by Red Hat AI, the solution has the solid foundation needed to scale this across the government.
The big success of this AI incubator was how quickly we moved from a concept, an idea, to something that we could give to people to use. It makes existing work more visible, helps teams make better informed decisions, and reduces unnecessary duplication. We really want to foster and build a community around reuse. Instead of acting and working in silos, we want to become one government.
Partnering with Red Hat for this AI experiment has allowed us to work in a transparent open source approach. It directly addresses the government's requirements for security and digital sovereignty. The vision is to scale up reuse across the entire government, expand our departmental community, and fundamentally change the way we work together in government.